downtown Cleveland today, and at this old building. It's the old grocery store, or a grocery store now. We've always called it Heinen's. I'm not sure if it's Heinz or Heinen's. Such a cool building, downtown Cleveland, Ohio, that they've turned into a grocery store. I'm not sure what this building was at one time. I don't know if it was a bank. Looks like it could have been a bank or a library. I'm not sure. Super neat building, but it's really nice on the inside, so I thought I would take you along while we go into this grocery store. It's pretty nice inside, and you guys could check it out. We're in the Playhouse Square district right now in Cleveland. There's all kinds of nice buildings. These old, huge buildings. I always like going to cities where the old buildings are. They just don't build them like this anymore, so they always look super neat. Okay. So we're just gonna take a tour. I'm kind of short, so this is my perspective. Whenever we make films like this for our travel vlog, we get lots of stares, so I try to keep the camera away from people as much as I can. To the cold section, fruits, vegetables, everything's super nice and fresh. Nuts. This is why it always makes me think that this building obviously was used for something else before it was a grocery store. If you can see up in here. This is like the little food court area. I'm not sure what this building was. I just know that it's so neat, so nice. They have ice cream over here. Bakery, seafood, meat market. Jumbo cookies, Heinen's large chocolate chip cookies. I think it's big. It looks like Mickey Mouse.
Skip through dinner.
They have a salad bar. There we go. Here's the bakery.
Southern Jimmy like the savory.
It's the bakery.
Apparently, they're a responsibility.
Maybe if I do
They
that.
never end, even when they're 40. Sorry for
All right, thank you. Thank you.
They're still watched. No, I know. No, I don't. I mean, when his kids are 40, they're
We have
still
sushi.
Oh, yeah.
I'm not a fan of sushi, but
Oh, wow. Just like roll the sticks.
they have a lot of it. Seafood. Look at that guy. Oh, they have bouquets of fresh flowers. I didn't even see these when I walked by earlier. So pretty. Summery. I imagine their flowers are kind of seasonal. Ready for the fourth? They have a hot soup area, broccoli cheese, classic chicken noodle, cactus chili, and tomato basil bisque. Yum. So I just spoke with one of the security guards here, and this was a bank at one time. It was built in 1908, and actually I'm on the upper loft now, but you can see over there underneath the meat market sign where the old bank vault was. So that's pretty cool. And then she told me that also it has a restaurant down in the very basement of the building, and that is where they have like a restaurant loungy area now, so you can go down there and eat, and that's where the old safety deposit boxes were. And she said it has the giant safety deposit boxes where people used to keep, like back in the 1900s, where they would actually keep their diamonds, precious stones, that kind of thing. So this is a really neat building. But yeah, if you're ever in Cleveland and you want a neat experience just at a easy breezy grocery store, come check out the old Cleveland Bank. And it was built in 1908. There's like the crest on the floor down there. I kind of showed a clip earlier of it, but pretty neat. Come check it out.